Hello everyone, so I am currently working on a project for European Papercrafts, and I will have right here on the screen a coupon code that you can use when you place an order with them. So don't forget to use that coupon so you can get any discounts. Those are really nice. So I thought I would work with this, and I'm debating whether to use this or this. So I think I'm going to do this because I really like the coffee cup with the macarons. I think they're really pretty. So what I'm going to do right now is punch them out and try to keep them in the same order. And then I'm going to use these 3D foam squares that are going to make this super dimensional. So let me go ahead and do that. Now that I've punched the majority of them out, I'm going to start assembling, and I put them back in there so I would know what goes first. So as you can see, this is D1, and then I'm going to go with D2, and D2 will go just on top of that. So you can see that it aligns perfectly on there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some of these 3D foam squares so that it can to make it dimensional. So here is the first layer, you guys, and I don't know if you can tell, but it's already looking dimensional. So now I'm going to go ahead and get the third one, and that's going to add even another layer. Oh my gosh, this is going to look so nice. Look at this, you guys. Can you see all that dimension? And this looks just like those really dimensional stickers that you would buy at a craft store and that are pretty pricey because of all that dimension. Oh my gosh, I am loving the way this is looking. Okay, now let's go with, this was D4. So I'm going to go ahead and continue doing that, and I'm going to add all the layers that I need to complete this embellishment. And here it is, you guys. Can you see all that dimension? Oh my gosh, it has so much dimension, you guys, and I absolutely love it. Okay, now that I've made one, I'm going to speed through and make the second one, and let's see how this one turns out. Alright, you guys, so I am back. I hope that you found this fairly easy, and I'm going to give you a closer look and how cute are they. So as you can see that towards the end, I did forget that the banner also had dimension. No wonder it looked a little too flat towards the top. I had no idea, but can you see the difference between the before and after? It's a huge difference. So I'm left with these 3 butterflies that I can layer them if I like, but I'm going to choose not to because I'm going to use them on the project that I'm planning on using this for. So let me go ahead and get you a closer look. And oh my gosh, you guys, did you see how easy this was? All you do is just punch them out of here. As you can see, they've been pre-cut. You add your dimension, you add your dimensional adhesive, and then you layer them, and they layer perfectly. Now this one has a lot of dimension. I hope you can see. I don't know if it's the same as in real life, but in real life, you guys, it's like they're like popping out a lot. And look at all that dimension. So I am really happy with this. Like I said, I hope you found this helpful, and I'm going to link everything that I used in this video. I'm going to link it down below. I'm going to link this. I don't know if this comes in a bundle or in a set, but I'm going to link this, where a link to where you can find this, a link to the foam 3D foam squares. All right, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know what you think. Bye everyone.